Good morning, class.
Good morning,
Morning, Mr. Amador.
It's Professor Mike here. So today we'll be talking about the lymphatic system. Does anyone have any clue on what that is?
Nope, never heard of it.
What is that?
We see the lymphatic system is a network of vessels through which lymph drains from the tissue into the blood. The lymphatic system is located by the spleen and thymus, are organs that are filters that filter the body. Two basic functions of the lymphatic system are that it is responsible for the removal of the interstitial fluid from tissues. Secondly, it transports white blood cells to and from the lymph nodes into the body.
I have a question. What's inside of the lymph node?
Great question. The outer layer contains B cells, also known as follics. The paracortex is the middle layer, which is most often populated by T cells and dendritic cells. Does that answer your question?
Yes, it does.
For making antibodies to foreign material, antigens. The antibodies then attack and kill whatever antigen they are made to react with. Made and mature in marrow. Those are your B cells. Your T cells are the studies release chemicals that attack and kill foreign material that the body has previously contact with and recognizes. Made in bone marrow, but mature in thymus gland. But there's one more cell that we need to talk about that we have not talked about yet. It's called the NK cell.
So what is the point of the NK cell?
I'm about to tell you.
it! Just what is the you can do it.
Now, students, we will be talking about where the spleen, tonsils. Crap, I forgot the other one. Now, students, we'll be talking about the thymus, spleen, and tonsils, and where they are located. Did you know that your thymus is located in between your lungs and your sternum, and it prepares your T cells in order to fight off deadly diseases and to fight them off. And as you grow older, it gets smaller and smaller. As when you're a little child, it's huge. It's the biggest. It's basically the biggest it'll be. Once you're in puberty, it starts to go slowly and go down. But then once as you're an adult, it's very small. But your tonsils are located at the back of your mouth. Yeah?
Yes.
And your spleen is located under your left rib.
Oh, very
It's interesting, right?
Yeah, very neat.
Dylan! Tell me when. The spleen plays multiple supporting roles in the body. It acts as a filter for blood as part of the immune system. Old blood cells are recycled in the spleen, and platelets and white blood cells are stored there. The spleen also helps fight a certain bacteria and causes pneumonia and meningitis. Redo it. So beginning of where we started off yesterday, does anyone know what the thymus's function is?
No, I do not, Mr. Amador.
Well, the thymus is a key role in training and developing T cells, which is a very, very important white cell. Good morning, class. Where is Justin? Good morning, class. Hope you had a good night's sleep. And where's Dylan?
Oh, he's sick.
Oh, he's in my slot. So can you take notes on him?
Yeah, I can.
Oh, thank you. Now, beginning off what we started off yesterday, does anyone know what the thymus's function is?
No, what does it do?
The thymus is a vital role in training and developing T cells, which is a very, very important white cell.
Nice. What kind of bacteria does the spleen fight?
Excellent question. Spleen fights bacteria that causes pneumonia and meningitis.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What are specific defenses?
Specific defenses are basically is the immune system, which helps fight off diseases and is the third line of defense when it comes to your immune system.
Thank you. What are non-specific?
I'll tell you about the specific defenses. Do you have any clue what the non-specific defenses have or do?
No, I don't. What are they?
I told you about specific. Now that I told you about the specific defenses, do you have any clue what the non-specific defenses do?
Is it a slice of pizza? What is it?
That was a good guess. I will give you that. Well, in the non-specific defenses, there are two keys. You have the physical and the chemical. The physical includes basically intact skin or your mucous membranes. With the chemical, will have your inflammation response or your interfuse or something like that.
Wait, when's lunch? When? When's lunch?
When you finish your homework, you can go.
Wait, when is lunch?
Maybe an hour. Now, does anyone know? Oh, what? Now, does anyone know where artificial and natural immunities come from? Wait, what?
No, where do they come from?
Now, can anyone tell me what natural and artificial immunity? Anyone tell me how artificial and natural immunities differ?
No, how do they differ?
Well, that is a phenomenal question. I don't know where you got that from. Well, they differ because natural immunities come from your own body. Like, your body naturally does it, like, such as your skin, mucus, etc. As in artificial immunities, they don't really come natural. They're normally like antibiotics or something. I don't know. I'm not a scientist.
Oh wait, what just happened?
So, Dylan, can you tell me what the two types of... Justin, can you please tell me what the two types of immunities are?
It's a phagocyte.
Good guess. I will give you that.
No, you're supposed to be telling me about that.
Now, Justin, can you please tell me what the two immunities are?
I've never heard that before. What is it?
Great question. You have two immunities, the artificial and the natural. Your natural immunities are basically, your body just does itself smart, okay? You don't need an injection, you don't need antibiotics, but with artificial immunities, you will need antibiotics and you will need injections and etc. Does that answer your question?
Yes, thank
Now,
you.
Justin, can you tell me, this for our last subject, can you tell me what phagocytes are?
No, what is that?
Well, great question. Phagocytes is a type of cell within a body capable of engulfing and absorbing bacteria and other small cells and particles. Well, Justin, you may go to lunch now. Justin, you may go to lunch now.
Awesome.
Good morning, class.